You want to make a custom logo in Blender. So how do you do that? Number one, open up a brand new blend file. Number two, delete the default cube. X delete, go to select the camera, Alt R, Alt G, RX90, and we're going to go to our camera icon, sorry, the printer icon, and we want to change the resolution of this to be a square. So we can do 1080 by 1080. And so by changing the resolution here, the pixels, you'll turn this into a square. So since we have that as a square now, what we can do is we can do Shift A. Let's just add, let's say a monkey, GY. Go to camera view, click 0 on the numpad or the projector unit. So here is the monkey. And what we can do is we can give this a material. That's pretty good. And yeah, let's just see what that looks like. If I do render image, it looks like that. What if you want to give it a transparent background? I go over here, go to the camera icon. If I navigate to film, check transparent, render again. Now it has a transparent background. That is it. So I did a monkey as an example, but it could be any object you made and created or imported. But real quick, let me show you my actual logo for Blender for YouTube. So it's based off of the Blender logo. And the only thing I really changed was the color scheme. So for the Blender logo, the center part is blue, while the radius around it is orange. But what I did was I kind of took inspiration from Target. You know, the Target where you have the red circle and the white dot. So that's what I did. Now, if I go into edit mode, we can see I have the outline here, right? So I did the outline, and then the behind this, I have just a, if I do L, I can select it, just a white image. And this is how I get the little logo for my thumbnail, but also for the picture of my YouTube channel. Real quick, I'm going to show you how I made the alpha transparency, the white Blender icon. So I made this shirt. We can see that it's alpha transparent. So because of this, then we can put this on, let's say, a t-shirt or something else. To see how I put this on a t-shirt, what you're going to do is you're going to click there and watch that video. So go watch that video. Go watch that video. I'm serious. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video. I can't keep doing this. Click on the video. Click on the video. Go click on the video. Click on it. Click on the video. Click. Clickety click.